2019 area related question. A sheet consists of a portion ABCD, that is a trapezium, and CD. Okay. This is a semicircular portion with diameter DC as shown in the figure. Take the value of phi as 22 upon 7. It has been decided to attach small buttons along the edge of the semicircular portion starting from D ending at C, such that the distance between every two adjacent buttons is 2 centimeters. How many buttons are required for this? Okay. Here, what is our question? When you read that, you should read the question with a clarity. Okay. So that means in between this region only. Okay. In this semicircular arc length region, you are going to place some buttons. Okay. When we consider it as a decoration, okay, you are going to place some buttons for decoration. But your task that would be in between two adjacent buttons, the distance between those buttons, that is given as 2 centimeters. So hiddenly they are asking you to find the arc length. Okay, when you find the arc length, you can find number of buttons we have to use. Okay, so to find arc length of this sector, okay, arc length, not arc length, yeah, arc length, that means CD, the curvature, the circumference. Okay, the semicircular circumference, that's called as the arc length. To find the half arc length of this half circle, half into 2 pi r, 2 pi 22 upon 7, and radius, diameter is 14 centimeters, so radius would be 7 centimeter. So when we simplify this one, it would be 22 centimeters. Okay, arc length, that is 22 centimeters. Okay, think about it. You are going to place some buttons in this circumference region. So here, starting from here, C to D, one button here, 2 centimeters, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, wait, yeah, 2, sorry, 0, 2. At C, you should place a button as well, starting from D and ending at C. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. Okay, 22. Likewise, you are going to place some buttons. Okay, you are going to place some buttons. You have to count how many buttons we can place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12. Most of the students just divided 22 by 2. When you divide 22 by 2, that will give you 11 buttons. Okay, 11 buttons. 22 is the total length that was divided in between two adjacent buttons. The distance is 2 centimeters. No, most of the students just divided that by 2. But when you do that practically, there are 12 buttons. Here they were clearly mentioned starting from D and ending at C. So that means in 0. Okay, in starting, that means in 0 centimeters also you should place a button. Okay, you should place a button. That's how the count 12 came from. 12 buttons is our count. Okay, when you divide that by mathematically, you cannot obtain that answer. Okay, so 22 divided by 2, that's 11. So that means you just counted up to here. At the ending portion also we have another button. Okay, another button. So with that you should add another one. That would be your answer. Okay, to do that manually, you should follow this method, because at C and D also we had 2 buttons. So you should count those things also. 12 buttons. Totally we need 12 buttons. In your grade 5s you have studied. Okay, when you are looking, okay, you have a star shaped boundary. Okay, when you are looking from here, you can see, okay, yeah, 4, 1, 2, yeah, you can see 4, 2, 3, 4, 4 sticks like this. Okay, in their surrounding they planted some trees. Likewise, you can see 4 trees. Okay, 4 trees. When you look at from this Okay, look at this and you can see 4. When you look from here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. And when you look from this 1, 2, 3, 4, in all 4 regions, you can see there are 4 planted trees. Okay, 4 planted trees. Now my question, how many trees totally planted surrounded that land? That's my question. Try to understand my question clearly. When you look at this, okay, from left side, there are 4 trees. In the surrounding only, they have planted some trees. You can see 4 such trees. In south region, when you look at the land, there are 4 trees. In east also 4 trees. From north region, when you look at from north direction, that one also show you. You can see there are 4 trees planted on the surrounding. So my question for you, that is, how many trees have been planted on that surrounding? How many trees have been planted on that surrounding? It's not 16, okay, because when you look at it from this direction, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, it's not 16, no, because this, when you look at this, okay, this tree, you can look this tree from this direction and this direction as well. This tree, you can see the same tree twice in the south region and from the west region as well. Likewise, in the corner, we have some trees. When you count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only there are 12. Only there are 12 trees have been planted, not 16, because we are taking the same tree. We are counting the same tree twice from this direction and this direction. You can count the same tree twice. Likewise, this question also like that. Okay, because you are starting from C, starting from D up to ending at C. So at the ending point also you should place a button. Okay, button. That's how you should find this 12. Yeah. Then calculate the total area of the sheet. Okay, we found the answer for this. Hiddenly they asked you to find the arc length. Okay, you should find the arc length somehow. Then after with division of arc length, they were clearly mentioned starting from D ending at D. So you should add one other one. There are two ends, no? There are two ends. So you should add 2 minus 1, that would be 1. So totally there are 12 such buttons. Calculate the total area of this sheet. To find the total area, there is a semicircular area and trapezium as well. Okay, first I'll find the semicircular area. For that, half pi r square. Half pi 22 upon 7 r square. That means 7 into 7. Radius is 7. So when we simplify this 11, this one time, so it would be 77. 77 square centimeters. Area of this semicircular portion. So then let's find area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium, that would be half into sum of parallel sides. Okay, sum of parallel sides. So 16 plus 14, these are the two parallel sides in this trapezium. So 16 plus 14, that would be 30, multiplied with the perpendicular height, which is 10. 10. So when we simplify this, it's 15, so it's 150. 150 square centimeters. This is not our question. Our question is to find total area of this sheet. So it's 77. This one is 150, both together. Total area. Sum of these two. Okay, sum of these two. That's 227 square centimeters. 227 square centimeters. That's the way you can find your answer for the question. Total area means we cannot find that directly, no? So that's why we found the semicircular area first and the trapezium area next. Then our last question. If a rectangular sheet is made with its area equal to the area of semicircular portion and its length equal to the length AD, find its breadth. Okay. If the rectangular sheet is made with the area equal to area of semicircular portion and its length equal to the length of AD. Okay, now they are talking about the semicircular. Okay, semicircular. Okay, we have our semicircular area, that is 77 rectangular sheet is made with its area equal to the area of semicircular portion. So now we are going to consider about a rectangle, its area that's equals to the semicircle's area. Area equal to semicircular portion and its length equal to length of AD. Length equals to length of AD. What's our AD? AD, that's 10 centimeters. So length is 10 centimeters. Okay, I'll write the length as 10 centimeters. Find its breadth. Okay, find its breadth. So what's the thing we did? Area is equal with semicircular portion. So rectangle's area also 77. So its length was equals to AD, which is 10. So you should find breadth of this rectangular sheet. Breadth of this rectangular sheet. So I'll conclude the breadth as x. Okay, breadth as x. So when we multiply length into breadth, so 10 into x, okay, length into breadth, that would be equals to area of this rectangular portion. So x would be 77 divided by 10, that will give you 7.7 centimeters. 7.7 centimeters, that's the breadth of the rectangular sheet which we are going to consider.